Let me get closer. Gotta walk careful. Still in my slippers. I'm still in my slippers. Don't want to get snow in there.
Being that we're in the south and we don't have snow shovels here, we got to make do. And this is how we do it. We become a snowplow.
Next time you go to Michigan, you might want to bring a proper snow shovel back with you.
Yeah, I think so.
We're getting so much snow, it seems, lately.
I know. Last year we got snow too. I can't believe it. We're in Georgia. What's going on?
What was that you said about global warming?
Well, the global warming, you see, is causing the next ice age to happen. As you can see, the next ice age seems to be happening. Although I don't believe any of that.
Stand up next to it so they can see how high it is. Unbelievable.
Who needs to go to the gym anymore? This is a workout.
It is. Perky loves it.
Oh, he does.
He thinks this is the best ever. Your battery on this is dying out too.
What's that?
I said your battery on this is about dead.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's been sitting in there for a while, so.
I'll charge it. The other one's charging.
Sorry?
I said the other one is charging.
Yeah. All that is a double A.
Yeah, cool.